Today I'm going to share with you 2 simple ways on how to change the skin tone in Photoshop. Hi guys and welcome, my name is Perfect Fiddle and welcome to this new tutorial where I'm going to share with you how we can change the skin tone in 2 simple ways. So we're going to begin with the first method now. What we're going to do is we are going to duplicate this layer and we are going to call this skin tone. And we are going to right click and we're going to select convert to smart object. Once we've done that, we're going to go into filter, we're going to go into camera raw filter. So now I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. I'm going to select this color picker tool here. It's on basic and camera raw filter. I'm just going to point this where the bright section is around here. And now I'm just going to select this again and I'm going to zoom out. As you can see, the skin tone has been fixed. Now you can make some minor adjustments if you like. It's up to you. It's optional. And then we're just going to press OK. So as you can see, very simply with one click, we have changed the skin tone. Okay, so that's the first method. Which is the second method? Let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so before I begin with the second method, what I want you to do is go onto this website here and it's called Color Hunt. I will link this website in the description below. So you can download this palette. It's for skin. It's for a skin tone. So basically you can download that and you can then put that into Photoshop, which I'm going to do now. Okay, so now that we have our skin palette in Photoshop, as you can see it's here, we're going to target this area of the skin tone. Now there's no right and wrong about the skin tone. You can never get it right, but obviously you can try and use another reference photo if you like, but this I would say is probably the best way to go about it. Okay, so how we're going to do the second method, what we're going to do now is we are going to go onto the adjustment layer and we're going to select curves. Once the curve section is open, make sure that this is selected, not this one because that's a mask. Make sure this is selected. And then on the middle one, eyedropper tool, we're going to double click this. Once you are on this, we are going to select this section here. And now we're simply just going to press is OK. Now it's going to say save the new target colors as default. We need to select no. Okay, once that is done, we're just going to quickly go into the skin tone, make sure you get the midtones, and we're just going to click on the image. As you can see, it has been changed, and you can see it's been changed just with one click on here as well. Now there's another way you can adjust this a little bit if you like. We're just going to double click on the eyedropper tool again. Now you can see it's a bit saturated, so we're just going to go into the saturation section here. So don't forget, this is here, this is saturation, okay? And we're just going to decrease that a little bit. So about there should be okay. And now we are going to press OK. Again, save the new target colors as default. We're going to select no. And again, just click on the midtones of the skin. So a very subtle change here. So now what we need to do is, as you can see, we have a curve. We're going to click here. And we are going to click here. This will give us a good control of the curves. Okay, so I won't be moving too aggressively. Okay, that's just my method of doing it, but obviously you can select other ways as well. Now I'm just going to quickly just decrease this a little bit. And as you can see now, if I just turn this off and turn this on, we have very nice tone on the jacket as well. We have very nice tone on the skin. And as you can see, it's a very easy, simple step. See the eyes are blue as well. And yeah, so this is basically how you go about changing the skin tone. And that's the 2 ways to do it. So it's very simple as that. Okay, so my name is Perfect Fiddle. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing some more videos very soon. And if you want to check out this video that's coming up on the screen now, and I will show you how you can change the color on a car and give it a nice shine as well. Till next time, I will see you later. Bye.